Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My youngest, I guess you could call him kind of a monkey up there. I don't know. He was kind of on the wall. So I guess we're gonna change out his ICP on his 6.0. So here's the part number. If you guys can see it, hopefully. Trying to make it visible. So he drove it to work and it started pouring out oil, I guess, after he started driving it. But here's it's a used one, but we're just trying to get it working, and we'll probably do another video when he gets the relocation for it to move it away from under the turbo, because this is a early 04 6.0, and yeah, we need to get him another car to drive right now. His other one, we still are waiting on parts, so we're just gonna get into it. So I'm gonna try to do it the way I did it before, was with the 27 mil and a punch, so you can put it through socket, try to get it. I did it before and I did it from the bottom, but it leaked a lot of oil, so I'm gonna try to do it from the top and see if I can. So we'll see, might have to pull some more stuff, but we're just gonna try to do it. Here's him, and here's the plug that is soaked because of it. And I know you should change this pigtail whenever you do this, but when we do his relocation, that's when we'll probably do that. So let's just see if we can get in here and get to it. First of all, I don't know if the punch is gonna work being in there. There we go. Oh, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. So let's just get in here real quick. Try to show you more of. Oh, gotta find a light. There's the light. So if you can see, way back in there, I'm trying to shine the light, but wiring's kind of in the way. Hold on, let's see if we can move that over. Nope, it's solid. All right, so I'm just gonna try to get you somewhat of a view back there, guys. So it's under the turbo. I don't know if you guys can really see it. So kind of the oily thing back there, but we'll see. Maybe I can do it with the wobbly extension. So just hold on a second, guys. Let's see here. Hold on, guys. Hold on a second. I'm gonna pause it and we'll come back in a minute. Okay, guys, got it out. Bring it over here, bud. So you see this? Like, I don't know if you guys can actually see with the light, but it's soaked in there. Looks like it's seeping out the side, maybe even. Seal is still there. And here's the other one. So I didn't do it from the bottom with the punch, I said. I ended up doing all this. It's just an adapter from 1/2 to 3/8 to a 3/8 wobbly to a 3-inch extension. And then I got a snap-on wobbly extension and just, 3/8 ratchet. So that's where we're at with that. So that's what it took to get it out. Now we get to figure out how we're gonna get it back in with the new one, and then we still need to clean the pigtail so that it gets a better connection. And like I said, we plan on redoing it with a different thing to relocate it out from under the turbo, so it doesn't just heat the plastic and melt it and ruin it. So let me get all this ready to go, and then we'll let you know how it went and show you after we get done with it. Just had to remember to put this in here. So we're taking some oil, put it to the seal so the seal don't rip and tear. So you just kind of soak it with oil so that the seal will squish and move and not just rip it in half. So that's that, and now we just gotta put it in. So let me try to get up there and try to do it, I guess. We're gonna see here. I don't know if I get it in with my hands, so we're gonna see. Done this from below, but never done it up here, so. going blind. Not really helping. I'm stuck. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Hold on, let me see what I got. Alright guys, so I don't know how well this is showing you. I'm trying, but it's up there. I wish the light would just give it a little more. It's right there where you kind of see the plug. I can't tell in the camera, but that's where we had to get it. Ow, headbutt. Oh, here we go. Alright, that's where we had to go from the bottom, and I got it off with what I said, and I had to have the kid go under from the bottom and put the sensor in, and then I was able to use the tools that kind of told you guys, 27 with the 1/2 inch adapter to a 3/8 to a 3-inch extension to whatever size little stubby wobbly extension, and just a ratchet. And that was kind of what we had to do there. So it's possible without pulling nothing, but if you're more comfortable with pulling stuff, you could pull the intake. I mean, you could actually probably even pull the ficum and give yourself more room in there, more or less. But I'm one that usually doesn't like to do all that, so I just kind of pulled it there. We did electronical spray. This guy's a monkey again. He's still on the wall like a monkey.
It's easiest.
And we just cleaned out the connection. Only did that because it's the use sensor. We're just trying to get the truck back running and not pouring out all its oil. So that's kind of where we are. We'll probably start it here in a minute. Do you want to go get the keys? So we're gonna see how it does. If it's still pouring out oil, it shouldn't be, as you guys seen with the sensor. I'll try to get a better lighting point here where you can actually see it, which the camera don't want to stay on. So you can see it's just shining in there with oil. So this is a common problem on these early ones. See right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like lifted and separating, so it was spraying out the sensor here out of the connector. So it's just another common thing on these 6.0s. And if you get a 04, a late 04 to 07, it'll be on the valve cover, so then usually you don't have heat from the turbo and all that. That's why we're thinking about doing a relocation kit on it with the new sensor and new pigtail. So hope it helps somebody. That's kind of what our goal is on this channel, is try to help people with stuff. But definitely this truck is an early 04, and it has a late 04 to 07 intake manifold, so you don't have a crossover pipe on the back of it. So that makes it a little easier to do this stuff. I swore I had an intake somewhere around here. My other kid took all the stuff and moved it. I don't know where he put all the scrap stuff. And that's where it's walking around trying to find stuff now. So we've got stuff over here. Did he put it? No, he didn't. So I'm trying to show you what the difference is, but the late ones, it looks like a U basically. And I don't know if I even have an early. I should have an early one here, but I don't know where he put any of the scrap stuff, so sorry about that. I was trying, but I guess we might just take some of that out. But that's the difference of the two. And I guess that's about. Did you get the keys already? All right, hold on, we're gonna start it. And so we did all that. The leak's gone. Hopefully it helps somebody. Like, it's just a common thing on these things. So I guess, yeah, subscribe would be cool. And yeah, I guess that's it until the next one. We get parts for that too. So everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.